In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Bitmoji in Snapchat. In this video, I will cover how to change your background, how to change some facial features, your glasses or whatever you have. So first of all, you want to open up Snapchat. Once you have opened up Snapchat, click on the top left to open it up. From there, you can change your Bitmoji wardrobe by clicking on this wardrobe icon. From here you can change things like shirts, pants, shoes, even socks and things like that. Once you are done, just click on save and your new settings will be saved. If you want to change your Bitmoji background, you can do it like so with here. You can also change the poses of your Bitmoji, and you can even get AI to generate you something, but of course you need Snapchat Plus for this. And if you want to export your Bitmoji, you just click on this icon right beside the settings and you can send it this way. And that's basically all the simple things how to change your Bitmoji. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.